Chinese publication Shanghai News reported that China was actively working on the creation of a multifunctional fighter aircraft of the sixth generation. It was also said that China achieved significant progress in the field, with the help of first-class Russian scientists. To crown it all, it was said that Russian President Vladimir Putin had repeatedly requested those scientists be returned home. The article in the Chinese publication lists a few details about the new aircraft, which is referred to as the most progressive representatives of its class. The airplane has an advanced navigation system, able to function effectively in complex meteorological conditions at any time of day and year. The fighter, known as Hualong Fire Dragon, comes with the inertial navigation system, Doppler speed and demolition meter, automatic radio compass, navigational radio technical satellite system operating at long distances, near navigation radio technical system, system of determination of mutual coordinates and signal light. It will be difficult for a non-specialist to tell the difference between the above-mentioned aircraft and a fighter jet of the fifth or even fourth generation. Specialists may find it a hard nut to crack too, because there is no common concept of the sixth-generation aircraft yet. Fifth-generation fighter jets are only being introduced. In March of this year, it was reported that China adopted the J-20 aircraft, which was premiered in November 2016.